Did you know that the average loss from a home burglary is around $2,800? Or that 12,000 people die or become critically injured due to home fires in the US alone? Unlike natural disasters, people nowadays have more control over these types of situations, and this is mostly thanks due to emerging technologies like home automation and the Internet of Things.
The advantages of a smart home over a non-smart home in these aspects are a lot. The fact of lost objects that have sentimental value to us, economic losses, or even our own lives can be saved thanks to the technology. It is an incredible truth that reassures that this is an area of industry worth studying and investing in.
We're currently working on an IoT project aimed at reducing the amount of burglaries an average household can face, and also reducing the amount of economic, physical, and emotional damage that something like a domestic fire or a flood can cause to a person's house or apartment.
Specifically designed towards 3 different scenarios, our project tackles the problem of people forgetting or failing to do some activities in their house that can later cause accidents or dangerous situations that can harm them physically, emotionally, and economically. To do so, our project implements a notification system powered by sensors around the house that notify the user's phone when a dangerous situation could happen, allowing him or her to take action about it.
The first scenario that our project intends to target is forgetting to close the windows of our homes. This can cause damage to our house when the windows is open and excessive rain pours while we are away of home. The notifications will be prompted by an humidity sensor notifying the user that the windows is open. Especially, the notification will be sent if humidity rises above a certain threshold, and the app will allow the user to press a button for closing the windows if the user wants.
The second scenario is about forgetting to turn off the stove in the kitchen of our homes, which can lead to a gas leak that could quickly turn into a domestic fire. The notification in this case will be prompted by a gas sensor in the kitchen if the gas levels rise above a certain threshold and the user hasn't been present in front of the stove for a certain amount of time, which would be measured with an IR sensor. The user could turn off the stove remotely, avoiding a major accident.
The final scenario is about forgetting to lock the door of our house, which can also be tempting for potential burglars. In this case, if a limit switch sensor senses that the door of the house has been unlocked for a certain amount of time, the notification would be sent to the user, allowing him to take action and lock the door. Similarly, if a certain time of night comes and the limit switch sensor senses that the door is unlocked, the notification is sent and the user is again allowed to take action.
We really believe that by taking these 3 situations, many undesirable situations will be avoided and people will continue to live their lives without worrying about their safety, while being protected at the same time. Thanks for watching.